In this video you will see how to change bullet point color in Word document. As you can see, I have changed the bullet point colors to green from black. It's very easy. To change bullet point color, first click on the bullet point and now all the bullet points will be highlighted. After highlighting, you will need to click here on the bullet points drop down, and you will see at the bottom the option of define new bullet points. After clicking on this option, you will be able to see the preview, that is of what you have selected in the document. So right now we have green bullet points, so it is showing here green. To change color of these bullet points, you will need to click on the font, and here under the font color you will need to select the color of your choice. For example, I am selecting here blue color, and you will see the blue color preview, and then click on OK. And as you can see, now the green bullet points are turned to blue ones, and after clicking on OK, the bullet point color will change. You can also click on the bullet point, and now here under the font you will automatically see the symbol font, and then you can just change the color of the bullet point from here as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.